In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress. So in order to make that happen, you need to first head over to your WordPress.com site. So first, you need to actually sign up and then log in if you already have an account. You can see right here my actual account since I've already created this, and here is my actual site. So once you're on your actual site right there, you can find right here the actual dashboard. So onto this case, just scroll down on the left sidebar that you can see right here. Then from there, click on plugins. And onto the plugins marketplace, you can already find right here Yoast SEO. So onto this case, just proceed to click onto this. However, if you can already find it, you can click onto this search bar and try searching right here for Yoast. Now click on the Yoast SEO option right here. As you can see, we have premium plan and we also have this Yoast SEO, which is free on business plan. You can head over and upgrade and activate because it's only available on specific plans right there. Click on this upgrade and activate, then from in there, click on install, and then you will be redirected to this. You just need to upgrade and activate your plugin. Alternatively, you can also get the actual plan or the actual plugin directly from Yoast.com. Once you're on their website, you can see this option for download free version. So for this case, just proceed to click onto this right here. And once you have clicked on it, it will give you a zip file containing it. So head over right here again into your plugins, click on this upload, then click on this right here, and you just need to upgrade and continue. And then just upload right here the actual plugin that we have downloaded earlier in order to install and activate it directly onto your WordPress. Once it's done, you should be able to find Use SEO right here on your left sidebar, and you can use it directly for your site. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.